Hi, I'm Jim Baker, Senior Electrical Engineer at Ventev, and today we'll be looking at how to power up Ventev's VenGo mobile Wi-Fi carry-on unit in the field. Before you begin, you will need to verify that your VenVolt Site Survey Battery Pack or packs are fully charged. The battery charge indicating LEDs are under the USB-C port. Turn on the power switch to the VenVolt to position 4. The LEDs will light up showing the charge level. All 4 LEDs need to be lit. The VenVolt will need to be fully charged prior to use if there's less than 4 LEDs lit. Turn off the power switch once you verify this is completed. Before the power-up procedure is performed, you open the case and remove the plate assembly. Set the on-off toggle switch to the off position. Set the A-B selector toggle switch to the B position if the VenGo has 1 VenVolt. Otherwise, skip this step. There are 2 battery configurations for the VenGo. For the 1 VenVolt configuration, take your VenVolt and insert it on the top shelf. Next, you will take your patch cable labeled A and plug it into port 4 of the VenVolt. You will then take the USB-C bulkhead connector cable and attach it to the USB-C port. Afterwards, verify that the green light on the port 4 of the VenVolt turns on when you switch the position 4. After this process is complete, place the assembly back into the case. After the plate is placed back in the case, switch the on-off toggle switch to the on position. Close the lid. The VenGo is now operational. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to learn more about Ventev power enclosure systems, visit ventevinfra.com today.